Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi Hookah Tambaku. First, you'll need to select high-quality tobacco leaves, ideally a dark, robust variety. Next, prepare your molasses, which acts as both a binder and a sweetener. You'll also want to choose your desired flavorings, such as fruit extracts or spices. We'll guide you through each step to ensure a rich and authentic experience. Let's get started on crafting your perfect blend. Once you have your tobacco leaves, the first crucial step is preparation. Wash them thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or unwanted residues. After washing, spread them out to dry completely. This might take several hours or even a full day. Once dry, carefully shred the leaves into small, uniform pieces. Aim for a consistent texture, which is key for an even burn and flavor distribution in your hookah. Now comes the exciting part, blending your tobacco with molasses and flavors. In a large bowl, combine your prepared tobacco with a generous amount of molasses. This sticky syrup will bind the tobacco and provide sweetness. Next, incorporate your chosen flavorings. Whether you prefer fruity notes or spicy undertones, add them gradually. Knead the mixture with your hands until everything is perfectly combined, ensuring every piece of tobacco is coated for a consistent taste. After blending, the tambaku needs time to cure. Transfer your mixture into an airtight container and let it rest for at least 3 to 5 days. This curing process allows the flavors to meld and deepen, resulting in a more enjoyable smoking experience. Once cured, store your homemade Desi Hookah tobacco in a cool, dark place to maintain its freshness. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.